Here's the train station that I arrived at on my first day. Honestly, in the daytime it doesn't look crazy, but when I got here that night, and that's what it's called, a Whip Kingen. But yeah, and then there's the other side that looks all pretty. I mean, it's all pretty to me, but yeah. And you can see like the mountains back that way. I really did enjoy Switzerland, but yeah, signing off officially this time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Khadija here, and this is part 2 of my solo traveling. And I am in Milan, Italy now, and I just got to my Airbnb. I haven't looked around yet. So you walk in here, of course, door, and yep, sorry for the lighting. Maybe there's more lighting, but my luggage is there. It has like a little kitchenette over here, which is very cute. Yep. And then like the living room area, also very cute. You can see me over there. I'm almost wearing the same thing from the first day when I got in Switzerland. Very cute here though. Seems like it's a lot of records and things like that, but it's very nice. I guess there's kind of like a little balcony. I'm not going to open it up because it's raining. That might explain also why it's a little dark. But yeah, little kitchen table, another little record. Oh, it's Pink Floyd. Cute. It's neat. I will say I don't know who Pink Floyd is, but I know the name. There we go. Okay, yeah. So, walk here. Chairs are, I don't know, oddly placed, but I mean, I guess if you have more people, have somewhere to sit. Nice bookshelf, guitar, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's a big bed, it really is. I do think that is a king size bed. I think that's what it said on the listing too. This is really cute. So then this little area, there's a door that closes this up too, which I think is nice. I guess this is what, storage maybe? Yep, storage. And then this bathroom is gigantic. Like, it's a pretty big bathroom. Yes, it's a huge bathroom. This is the Airbnb. I think it's really cute, like I said before. Cut those off behind me. And yeah, what time is it? I'm getting a breakout on my lip and I can feel it, and I'm getting annoyed, and I was probably stressed out, and that's probably what did it. What else? Oh, it is 4:42 right now. I said I wasn't gonna do anything as soon as I realized it was raining, but then I forgot I booked a yoga class. It's at 7, so I have about not quite 2.5 hours before I gotta be there, but I gotta figure out how to get there. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to kind of, oh god, my hand started aching just now. Okay, y'all, I'm still at the Airbnb. I haven't done anything, honestly. Crazily enough, I'm in Italy and I'm watching Netflix. It's just this dark and I don't want to be like roaming around pretty much, but I have decided that I'm gonna just walk to, did I say, okay, I think I did say it. Yeah, I'm gonna still go to the yoga class as long as it's not canceled. I'm starving, like starving, but I was like, I'll get food after the yoga class. It starts at 7:30, ends at 8:30. Grab something on my way back. I found these, not found them, they were sitting out in the little, like, I don't, not a caddy or whatever, but hold on. So this thing right here has like water, like coffee, sugar, stuff like that over there. But yeah, over there I found some, I don't know, biscuits, cookies, I don't know what they call it, but I'm about to eat a couple of them and I hope that's okay, because when I tell y'all I am hungry, like, I'm not joking, like, I'm so hungry right now. And yeah, that's another thing I want to do, is try to find some snacks so when I'm on my way back, some type of like grocery store or something. Yeah, that's all I'm doing right now though, but that's the plan. I probably won't record because I think she said it's in her home, I believe. So yeah, that's what I'm doing the rest of today. And if I don't see you guys today, I will see you guys tomorrow. I have 2 things booked for tomorrow. One is in the morning, one is in the evening. I might, yeah, we'll talk about it when we get there. But yeah, that's it, you know. Okay, good morning, y'all. Okay, so I looked real rough this morning, but guess what? Trouble don't last always, and this look doesn't either. Sorry, I look crazy and I sound, I don't know. But the plans have changed for today. Today is Friday, November 8th. It's 9:06. I was supposed to do something at 9:30, but honestly, I'm tired and my plans, sorry, my plans got changed around a little bit. And I mean, I still didn't really get to go back to sleep or get more sleep or anything. But for one, it's really cold and it's kind of raining outside. So the plan was to do like this Instagram walk where you see all the like great places in Milan, and the woman, she takes your photos and then she gives you like the edited photos. She gives you like 20 edited photos plus the originals, and that would have been great, but it's rainy and wet and cold. So instead we're doing like a breakfast in Milan where she still takes pictures. But I'll probably have to explore Milan on my own probably tomorrow. It said it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, which is great because tomorrow's my last full day here anyway. I'll see you guys maybe at the breakfast place or something. Sorry, this isn't what I thought it was going to be, but yeah, I will see you guys later. So either way, I'm just waiting on my Uber. Somebody else picked it up. So I'm waiting on my Uber now. I'll probably be late, which I hate, but this is how this morning has went, and that's why I was hoping to cancel it. But there's like I think this one doesn't have, or yeah, you can't get a refund for this one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know if I'm doing anything today, y'all. I'll be honest. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I kind of just want to I just want to watch Netflix. I think I'm just the kind of person that solo traveling is fine and all, but I don't think I can do like multiple places in one week. If anything, I'd rather do, I mean, if it was something like that, maybe where, I'm just talking, y'all. I don't know what I'm talking about now, so I'm gonna come back when I got myself together and I'm not still sleepy and trying to do stuff at the same time. So yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit. Because, yeah, look at this. This is so pretty. And I just came out of here. I can't believe I'm back in Italy. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, so I'm here at, I don't know what it's called, but I'll insert it on the screen. Wait. Okay, there are birds flying everywhere, and I'm about to go to the next place. Oh my god, these birds are scaring the crap out of me. So, it's time to go. I'm trying to figure out where the next place is, but I think already I'm going the wrong direction. Yeah, I think I need to go back this way, which means I gotta walk back across here. And I'm kind of tired already. I have woken up since this morning. The meeting with the girl, and it was like a little group of like 6 people. It went really good, but we didn't get to do everything, so I'm gonna meet her tomorrow morning. I said I was gonna sleep in, but now I'm not because I wanted to get some more pictures. So I'll meet her in the morning and do like a little quick, not photo shoot, but just get some pictures really quick before she has to go to university. And yeah. But I'll see you guys once I get to the next place and once I'm out of Bird Central because they're scaring me and my arm is getting tired. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. Okay, y'all, I was on my way to somewhere and I came across this and I just thought it was really neat. Yeah, very interesting. I think just the artwork here in general is really neat. Everything here is just in general like really old, like the buildings. I just really like it around here. So yeah, we're just gonna keep walking. Okay, back. I think this is pretty much the place that I was trying to get to. I didn't even look at it. The girl, Claudia, she recommended, she just put a couple places in my phone and I just typed this one in on Google Maps and this is what it brought me to. I think it's called Colón de San Lorenzo, which just stands for, or not stands for, but translated it's Columns of St. Lawrence. And yep, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, really neat. I swear we don't really have stuff like this in the States, but maybe we do, and I just don't get out enough. Yep, this is it. And then on the other side, you get this really beautiful but old building. I feel like everything here is older than I can imagine, but yeah. So I'm out still walking. I did go to that second place that I was talking about, but I think it took me, I don't know, somewhere weird. So I came back out and I searched it again, and now I'm going to another place similar to it. I just don't know if it's the right one at this point. If I get here and it's not something, I'm going back to the Airbnb. But from here, it said it was about a 56-minute walk back to the Airbnb, which I'm not doing. So, and here's where I'm walking. Really pretty street still. Everything is pretty, honestly, like I said before. Yeah, I shouldn't have too much further. Yeah, it says I'm got 5 more minutes of walking. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna just keep walking until I get to where I'm supposed to be going, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so hey guys, I did not record. Okay, first off, I'm recording on my phone right now because I don't know, it's easier than holding up my camera. I just wanted to record this tonight before I went to sleep because I wanted to be fresh in my mind. I had a really good time tonight. Tonight I did the, what was it called? I pretty much did like a dinner thing with, I guess, with a local. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. But pretty much what happened was, oh yeah, I can hold it that way. Okay. I, I don't, okay, anyway, I pretty much, yeah, booked this thing on Airbnb. Tonight was my third time, or like my third experience since being here. The first one, I did yoga the same day I got here today Friday? Yeah, yesterday I did yoga that evening, and it was good. It was my first time taking like a yoga class. It was only 3 of us plus the teacher, so that was really good for me at least. Yeah, she was great. She did some modifications for me, especially since I told her it was like my first yoga class. And for one, I haven't been very active anyway, besides just walking. The second thing I did was the Instagram walk. It was supposed to be the Instagram walk. It ended up being something different, which is fine. The point is, I wanted to talk about tonight because tonight was great. I did kind of like a cooking experience kind of thing. It was a really quick, kind of simple meal, but the experience was like a 3-hour one. So got there and she kind of already had like a kind of like an appetizer prepared. It was like it was mushrooms, which me being, if you know my taste buds, you know I'm a very basic person. I feel like mushrooms are basic, but I don't know, just like growing up, my family, we didn't really put mushrooms in anything. I mean, but I've had mushrooms before, but probably only in like a steak sub, like a cheese steak sub or something. But I was like, mushrooms. You just eat them by themselves, I guess, because that's like all that was there in bread, which was fine. The setup was really nice. I wasn't gonna like record it or take pictures of anything because it was like in her house. I guess her boyfriend is I'm pretty sure that's who it was. I don't think they lived together or anything, but that's why I said her house. But it was them two and just myself. Which I was a little nervous at first because I was assuming it was going to be like a group of people, but it turned out great. When I say it was, it was really good. The conversation was great. The food was great. I mean, technically I cooked it, but still. Anyway, the point is, it was really good. She actually gave me a bag that has all the ingredients of what we cooked tonight and directions and stuff. It was a really simple recipe, which is great because I'll probably make it whenever I get back to London. It was good. It was really good. I mean, I feel like I'm not saying enough to like for you to realize like why I felt like it was good. I just felt really comfortable even with just them two and myself. I felt really comfortable. They made me feel welcome. They kept the conversation going. They asked about me. I asked about them. They gave me suggestions. I might meet up with them tomorrow because I'm trying to take a bottle of wine from here. Just trying to take a bottle of wine back to London. Okay, I'm done recording, y'all, because it's almost probably at 12 minutes, even though the recording just stopped and I had to start it back up. Anyway, see y'all in the morning. We'll figure out what we're doing tomorrow all day, even though I don't have anything to do until the evening, afternoon. Hopefully, I'll meet up with, I think her name is Diletta, and her boyfriend, get some wine, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow.